Hello Fly Tyers, this is Aaron with the Fanaticals channel, and we are at the fly desk this evening. And I promised Cody, my son-in-law, that I would show him how to tie what we've always called a hoop wing emerger. This is a fly that's typically tied size 16 and smaller, and it imitates a bug that is in the stage of just coming off the water and growing its wings. So to start off, we will be using just some light olive thread, and today we are using a emerger hook. It's the Komodo 2488 in size 16, and with this fly we're going to put a little bit of wire on it. There it is right there. So we've got this dark olive wire. What I'm going to do is I'm going to back it off about an eyelet's length from the eye, and I'm going to tie it on the side of the hook. And I'm going to come back, and you can see the hook starting to bend. I'm going to get a little ways down, and then I'm going to wrap about 3 wraps behind it. And then I'm going to wrap back up towards the front, making sure that the whole shank of my hook is covered. And then I'm simply going to carefully wrap my ribbing wire up towards the front of the hook and try to keep my spacing semi-even. Okay, and I hold it up top, tie that off, and then I fold that wire back onto the hook, and I wrap a little more. Now what I like to do is I take a little bit of tinsel. You can actually use cut you a little strip of a plastic bag, or you can use some Flashabou, but for this one we're just going to wrap this tinsel onto the hook. And you can see I haven't even went halfway, I've just went a little ways. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little hoop, and I bring my thread up, I pinch it between my fingers, and then I simply pull it down. So now I've got this hoop. I'm going to wrap one more time, and then I pull my hoop tight. So you can see it creates this little wing at the top of the fly. So then wrap it a couple more times, and I wrap my thread behind the hoop so it stays up. And then I'm simply just building up the head of this fly. So you can see my little emerger hoops right there. Then what I like to do is actually change thread color. So I'm gonna whip this one off, 3 or 4 wraps, cut that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some brown thread, and I simply wrap that on so that looks kind of like the thorax of a fly. Then I will whip finish. So you can see this fly has the olive body, and then it has the wings coming out, and then the front of the fly is that brown color. Now what I'll do is I'll get some UV glue. I will just dab a little bit right where my thorax comes down. And then we glue that. Put our UV light on so it hardens. And that is what we call the hoop wing emerger. Very effective fly, especially when you got mayflies and stuff coming off of the water. This fly works very, very well. Thank you for watching us today on the Fanaticals Fly Tying channel, and we hope to see you on the water. Thank you.